Did you know you can make money from just about anything that you can do in your free time? Like taking care of puppies. In today's video, I'm going to cover 5 hobbies that can actually make you money. And if you're new to the channel and you're looking for ways that you can save, make money, and all things related to your finances, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And if you care about your financial future, go ahead and obliterate that like button. I would really appreciate it. Cooking is one of those hobbies that you can really make a lot of money, and at the same time, you can share your passion of cooking with the world in various ways, from starting a blog, a YouTube channel, or even an Instagram account dedicated to recipes. My wife decided to start documenting our meal planning by showing off some of her favorite recipes on a YouTube channel, which I'm going to leave a link to her YouTube channel in the description box below. Y'all make sure y'all check it out because I am eating good and healthy, and it's very tasty. And I have actually known people to start catering services by selling plates on their social media pages, and from there they bought a food truck and now they have full-blown restaurants. If you have lawn equipment and you don't mind the outdoors, mowing lawns can prove very lucrative because a lot of times people don't have the time or the desire to keep their own yards up and keep their grass cut. If you have a lawnmower, it is possible to build a client base the old-fashioned way by knocking on doors and handing out business cards. However, this day and age, there is also a digital way, and this is a website called Plows and Mows, which you will put your information in the service that you would like to provide, and people in your area can log on to that website and they can hire you for that service, which I will leave a link to Plows and Mows in the description box below. And if you like to garden, you can sell fruits and vegetables at your local farmer's market. You can even invite people to visit your garden or your farm, and they can look at their produce source firsthand. And the upside with this is they get to pick their own produce, meaning that you don't have to go out there and sweat and pick all of the produce yourself, and you can honestly just collect the money. And as a musician myself, I can tell you firsthand that parents are always looking to sign their children up for music lessons. So you can turn your hobby in playing the piano, the guitar, the ukulele, the violin, the drums, the trumpet, or whatever instrument that you play, you can make that into a money-making side business with ease. And the going rates for private music lessons right now are $45 to $75 per hour. And if you are looking to make some extra cash fast, freelance websites, that's a good place to start. For example, sites like Fiverr will help you make money from freelance writing, graphic design, website design, voiceovers, being a social media manager, and the list honestly could go on and on. And you can check out the top video right over there where I take you step by step on how you can set up your Fiverr account. Subscribe by clicking the icon right here, and that way you don't miss anything, and I will see you in the next video.